In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Buffer Ideas to never run out of content. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you capture every spark of inspiration and turn it into a reliable library you can pull from whenever it's time to post. Start by opening Buffer. Once you're in, head to the Create area. Inside Create, select Ideas. This is your dedicated space for brainstorming, storing, impressing, and organizing content concepts before they become scheduled posts. Think of it as your creative inbox, where nothing gets lost and everything is easy to find later. Next, click the plus New Idea button. A fresh idea card opens, ready for you to fill in. Begin with your content title. Keep it short, descriptive, and searchable. A solid title should help you instantly remember the angle, the audience, or the problem you're solving. If you're working in themes, include a keyword that ties it to a series or campaign so you can scan and group ideas quickly down the line. Now write your caption or notes. This is where you outline the hook, the key message, and any call to action. Jot down bullet-like lines or a rough draft. Whatever helps future you turn this into a finished post fast. Add placeholders for links, hashtags, or collaborators, and include context like the target platform or format. The more detail you capture now, the less friction you'll have later. If visuals will help you remember the idea, add media. Drop in a reference image, a short video, or a link preview. Even a quick screenshot can lock in the concept. You can replace or refine the media later. The goal right now is to preserve momentum and make the idea tangible. For a boost of inspiration, use AI Assistant for more ideas. Inside the Idea Composer, open the assistant and ask for headline variations, hooks tailored to your audience, or angles that fit your brand tone. Provide a sentence of context for the best results. You can paste suggested lines directly into your notes and refine them in your own voice. When you're satisfied, click Save Idea. Your idea is now captured in Buffer, where you can edit, duplicate, or develop it into a scheduled post whenever you're ready. Finally, repeat this process to build your content library. Drop in ideas as they come to you, or batch a dozen at a time. With a growing bank of saved concepts, you'll always have something ready to polish and publish. The result is simple. You can save and organize unlimited content ideas inside Buffer for faster future posting.